welcome back. Today's how-to is lemon cake. The first color we're going to need is our yellow lemon, and then our sunny orange, and our translucent white. This is going to form the center of our lemon, and we're going to mix them bad boys together. So I made it a little too dark, so I'm going to add some white to it. Do y'all ever eat lemons just for fun? I know I do. This is the color it should look like, and we're going to roll it into a ball. We're going to flatten it slightly, not all the way, just until it's a thick disc. We're going to get our white and roll it out. We're going to roll it out pretty thin. Lemon fact. Lemons are rich in vitamin Z. Nah, that's too obvious. You can use their tea to make leaves. No, leaves to make tea. Yeah. We're going to get our long razor thing and use the blunt end of it to make indentions. And make sure they are even as possible. Nature is kind of perfect like that. And now we are going to trust our indents, and we are going to commit to our cut. Place your lemon wedge, and cut around the yellow, and then place together. Cut more lemon wedges, and do the same for all of the indents that you have created. La di da di da ba 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 ba. Alright, now that we're done with that, put them all back together, make sure they're nice and secure and tight. And well, it should look like this. Voila! We are going to grab our white clay and roll it out pretty thick. We're going to play ring around the rosy with our lemon, and we're going to roll around the white and cut and this and that, and well, you can see. We're going to do the exact same thing with the yellow clay, but we're going to roll it out a little bit thinner than the white one. Measure twice, cut once. Actually, I don't think I measured twice, but you know. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And this is what it should look like. Now we are going to minimize the size of it, and we're going to squeeze, minimize, roll, squeeze, minimize, squeeze, and just keep doing that and keep doing that and keep doing that until it's little, like this. And guys, if you made this with me, bravo, bravo, you completed your lemon cane. And if you just watched it just to watch it, well, thank you so much. Here it is. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you learned anything, or if you enjoyed it, or just give me some love. But I will see you in the next one. Bye.